Hello friends, my name is Tejas Patil and today's date is 10th August 2022 and today's topic is difference between inheritance and contentment. So we will see difference one by one, means we will take one point and we see the actual what are actual difference between what they are working very separately, how they work. So first we will start with keyword extent. That means how they call the class. Uh, in the uh, in the inheritance, we call the other class using, means other class or parent class using extends keyword. But in the case of contentment, we don't use any keyword. We directly create the object and we call that object. Now what is the relationship between them? So in inheritance, there is a relationship, and in the case of contentment, it is a has a relationship. Now the final class, means how they access final class. So in inheritance, if there is a parent class and that parent class is the final parent class, then the class can't access that parent class. uh, but in the case of contentment, we can access any class, like we can access a final class also. Why? By creating the object of that particular class. Now the next one is the encapsulation. So in the concept of the inheritance, encapsulation breaks, but in the contentment, encapsulations work very well. Now the multiple inheritance. We know that multiple inheritance, that means at one time we call only one parent class. It is not possible to call two parent classes at a one time for child class. But in the contentment, we call uh, number of classes use creating objects. And the last one is testing. In the testing, in inheritance, parent class is ordered to, means parent class in order to test the child class. But in the contentment, we allow to test classes we implementation of classes we need to test. And that's all from my side. Thank you.